welcome to my channel. We are on the tour of lighthouses in the Massachusetts Cape Cod area, and today we are standing in front of Chatham Light, which is in Chatham, which is at the elbow of the Cape Cod in Massachusetts. And as you can see, the lighthouse is fenced and it is managed by US Coast Guard, and they don't allow the visits inside. So if you look at the lighthouse, it is a white cast iron on the outside with a gray lantern, and you can see two beacons shining every 10 seconds. The height of the lighthouse is about 46 feet, and the current lighthouse is in operation since I believe 1996, 1994, right, where they installed, actually there is a description in the sign in front of the lighthouse that says that in this current lighthouse two lights were installed in 1994. There used to be two lighthouses around 1923 and before, because the rotating lens and lantern was not available. So once that was available, one of the lighthouses was shifted to what is today the Nauset light, or the iconic red and white light, Cape Cod light, that appears on the potato chips, Cape Cod potato chips. But as I said, it is managed by Coast Guard, and they have a station here, and they monitor the area between here and Truro and also the Nantucket. They also have a lifeboat on the display in the compound, and the description reads that a similar lifeboat was used by the Coast Guard heroic people to rescue 32 crewmen from a commercial ship that sunk and broke into two halves near the shores of this lighthouse. So if we look around, they have a limited parking, not a whole lot of parking. I want to say maybe 50-75 spaces. They say park for 30 minutes maximum. I don't see that enforced though. And on the other side, we have a small beach. Let's see if we can walk across. Today is a foggy day, so there is not much of a visibility. But let's see. Yeah, so this is the sea that we can look at. There are sand dunes, and there's a sign posted that these sand dunes are very unstable. They shift, they erode, so not advisable to step on them, but go only on the designated paths. But this is the view from this vantage point right here. It's a nice small little beach. If you want to spend some quality time, I guess it's a not well-known beach, so this is a good spot for the family to come together and have a day at the beach.